Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott85 back another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for the DualSense, the Galactic Purple DualSense, part of the Galaxy range of controllers and faceplates that Sony have released. So yeah, it's an unboxing of the controller. So I picked this up today. It's currently my birthday as well, so I actually picked this up with my birthday money. So yeah, along with Uncharted, the Legacy of Thieves collection. So, but yeah, I accidentally ripped it when I took it out, but I haven't only taken out the inside box, so just to make it easier. But yeah, there's the side. There's the back. There's the side. There's the back. Obviously, that's the front. So, yeah. So it doesn't actually say Galactic Purple. The only time it says Galactic Purple is, I believe is on the back or something, I think. Which is really weird, because you'd have thought they would be bragging about it. Yeah, just says wireless controller Galactic Purple, and that's the only mention, obviously apart from the picture, of what actual colour it is. So, but yeah, anyway, once you unbox the box, inside you get another box. Surprise, surprise. And when you open that, there we go, you get the controller itself and an instruction manual, and that's it. And then inside here we have the Galactic Purple controller itself, which I'm gonna say right now, the video does not do this colour justice at all. It's bloody stunning, if I'm honest. This was my first choice of controller, like colour, when they announced it. So the pink I would never get. My second choice would be the blue, and the red one that they released a couple of months ago I would get, but yeah, it's actually nicer than I thought it was going to be, the red one. But this is stunning. I absolutely love this colour. So everything is pretty much purple, apart from obviously these and the triggers. But I like the way that the buttons have been matched with the controller colour as well. So yeah, there's the top. It's charging port. It goes as far as the back as well, and all around the sides, and yeah, just a really, really, really nice colour for a controller, in my opinion. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of the Galactic Purple DualSense, guys, for the PlayStation 5. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll chat to you later, and bye-bye. TDFN.